We got an unboxing. Today we will be unboxing Killer is Dead. Now I've seen some reviews for it, IGN gave it like a 5 or whatever. But it seems like the Japanese reviews were better. Like Famitsu gave it a 35 out of 40, So maybe America just doesn't like this game. Anyway, some extra stuff came with the initial release of it, so I'm gonna just see what's inside this box. Here's what the back looks like. I'm sure it'll be a crazy game. I got on Suda 51 after I played No More Heroes 1 and 2, which are both awesome games for the Wii. And let me see what this is. I think this is the sleeve that the game comes in. Oh, look at that. You all know what the cover looks like, probably. Cool, I guess. It's a cool sleeve. Now this is what I like. Art books. And this game looks kind of stylish, so yeah, that's what I'm in for. Crazy, crazy stuff. I guess. Yeah, I don't know what is going to be going on in this game. It just looks like PCP condensed into a game, literally. But yeah, it's a nice hardcover art book. And next we have Music of Killer is Dead. So it actually came with a music CD. Sorry about the glare. And it has 25 tracks on it. Also, cheap deal I got from GameStop. They got the 3 games for $10. So I picked up a few games you probably don't even remember existed, like Battalion Wars 2 on the Wii, Devil May Cry 4, Dragon Age Origins, Fear 1 and 2, and yeah, that's it. So that's it for the unboxing. Peace.